in addition to ordering decimals, we will also need to round them to a specific place. In these examples, I've written several decimals and some monetary values and listed the place to which they need to be rounded. The method here is as follows. If we are rounding to the tenths place, I'm going to underline that place. Then I'm going to circle the digit to the right of it. If that digit is 5 or more, I need to raise this underlined digit by 1. 9 is greater than or equal to 5, so this 3 becomes a 4. To round this number, 39/100ths, to the nearest tenth, that would be 0 and 4/10. Likewise here, I have 0 and 174 thousandths. I need to round it to the hundredths place. So I'm going to underline the hundredths place and circle the digit immediately to the right. If this digit is 5 or more, I need to raise this number by 1. It is not 5 or more, so this digit remains the same. This will round to 0.17 to the hundredths place. Here I have 0 and 585 thousandths, and I want to round it to the hundredths place. So I will underline the hundredths place and circle the digit immediately to the right. If this digit is 5 or more, I need to raise this digit by 1. This is 5 or more, so this 8 will become a 9. This number will round to 0 and 59/100ths. In this case, I'm rounding 1 and 4,782 10,000ths to the thousandths place. So tenths, hundredths, thousandths is the place I will underline, and I will circle the digit immediately to the right of it. If this digit is 5 or more, I need to raise the score of this 8 up to a 9. This is not 5 or more, so the 8 will remain the same. This number will round to 1 and 478 thousandths. Here I have 22 and 99 thousandths, and I want to round it to the hundredths place. So I will underline the place that I'm rounding to, circle the digit to the right. If this digit is 5 or more, I need to raise this digit. Well, in order to raise a 9, it will become a 10. So this number will be 22 and 1/10. Because I'm asked to round to the 100ths place, I need to include a 0 in the hundredths place. You always have to have a digit in the place to which you are being asked to round. Here I have 835 and 6 thousandths, and I want to round it to the nearest 10. Well, 3 is in the tens place, so I will circle the digit immediately to the right of it. If this digit is 5 or more, I need to raise the score of the 3. This is 5, so this 3 becomes a 4. This number to the nearest 10 would be 840. This was a whole number, so I do need to include the ones digit there. We will also be asked to round in money. You'll notice when you buy gasoline sometimes, or when you pay tax, the tax will be given out past cents. So the nearest cent would be the 100ths place, because there are 100 cents in a dollar. So I would underline the digit in the cents place, and I would circle the digit to the right of it. If this is 5 or more, this needs to go up, and it is, so this will round to, that's a $, 0 and 6 cents. Over here, if I'm rounding this to the nearest dollar, the dollar is represented by the ones place, so I will circle the digit immediately to the right. This 8 is 5 or more, so I need to raise the 7 up by 1. This would round to $18.